Sruly.
Hey, smach nog aan.
Shomayaim, so we can name the clip.
Let's put it on.
Man.
You know, all of the interviews, maar hij heeft toen in de mensen van de mic.
Exactly. Do get the mic.
There you go, okay.
I met you the first time.
Alright, so, Baruch Hashem, welcome to the Azoi headquarters.
This is the Azoi headquarters. We zit in middle of WhatsApp Azoi. This is it.
This is it.
It's actually
very few people actually get to be over here because Baruch Hashem, we pick up, we drop off. This is secrets. We're gonna show it to your viewers.
So Koidim Kol, let me start, Sruly, that I see you all over on WhatsApp, and that's one thing that blew me away when I wanted to come meet you specially. It's a yiddish that you could call a sofer and have it picked up, dropped off, everything on WhatsApp.
You said call. It's funny because it's not even a call. It's just a message.
It's a message.
I'll tell you, Tefilin Checking. I've had customers call us and it was just a WhatsApp message, pick yourself in the beamer. I went to the beamer, got it, put it back over there, and he sent me a quick pay. One guy even prepared a check inside.
So you didn't even meet the customer?
I didn't even know how he looks. By the way, shine a job of my film. I have no idea what the mensch is.
Okay,
so then he tells me his name, I remember it.
There we go. So let's start from the beginning. Where did you start? Where did Azoi start from?
Okay, so the history is very simple. I wanted to start a business of my own. I felt like my potential isn't working for someone else. And I think everyone should do the same. So I reached out to my father, the most supportive person in my life, Baruch Hashem, and ik heb hem gevraagd, Tati,
dat is schon so für Jahre lang.
Dat is schon für Jahre lang. En ik heb hem gevraagd, Tati, even join ik dan business en ik help dich machen side, weiß gemein, mit even eindelijk rauswerfen, the microwave van do. And he's like, Sruly, let me dat zeggen, don't jump into my business, start on your own, and I'm going to be your supportive back from A to Z and the whole time, and that's how it is. For the last year and a half, Baruch Hashem, my father's with me every step of the way, and I'm literally operating out of his own office, because Baruch Hashem, I pick up, I drop off, I don't have to meet clients over here, and that's how Baruch Hashem successful for a year and a half like that.
Unreal. So let's jump in. Wusstest du?
So ins verkaufen wir, in checken wir, Sifrei Torah, Tefilin and Mezuzos. So as you see over here, has do piles from Mezuzos. Every mezuzah that you see over every bag has another Ksav, a different sofer, different kind of Ksav, different tier, different minig, a different situation.
Wow.
And same goes with Tefilin, has do parshias, was coming from Sruly off a daily basis, and this is not the end of it, because in some do in the closet and this is the secret case. We do literally everything. Has do parshias from alle sorten, and it rotates. It comes and guide, and Baruch Hashem, we're doing very well on that.
So you take down that suitcase when somebody calls you, wants to make a Sifrei Torah?
You want to see Ksuvim, I have everything, pictures. Most of my things, as I said, is WhatsApp. I send pictures. I've sold a Sifrei Torah through WhatsApp, literally.
That is amazing. On WhatsApp. So
on WhatsApp, verkauft a Sifrei Torah off WhatsApp. Megilos, same exact thing. The Vaber, I want to buy my husband a Megillah, I want to know how much it costs. I send her a picture of it, and she says, I like this one. It's over. The sale has been made. She tells me deposit the check noch pirem, so my mom weiß what the check is for.
You saying you don't want the check go through before
there you go.
Exactly. Unbelievable.
Chaim, goed gewazen, du hast du Teurissen. Ze komt in a beautiful case. Hast du option von 400 Sofrim, hast du a pizzig Teures. The most crispy, beautiful Ksav.
Just curious, how much is just a small Ketores?
This one costs $650 actually. This is more expensive because it is harder to write. But this is something that goes very well for wives, buy it for husbands, for gifts, and by mitzvah buchim get this very often.
It's a beautiful skill.
Beautiful skill. It's amazing skill as well. Absolutely.
Unreal. Sruly, let's hear a little about the tzias.
Okay, the tzias. As you see over here, you have your peklich for the tzias. The difference between all these types hast du matte, less matte, much shinier. They want a shinier. Hast du schwarz and was, and schwarz. Hast van alle sorten, and I have stock galore.
So every taste of a person,
yes,
what they like.
But then there's not just taste. There's hashkoche. Some people like sturen geven some lieber Ravlando hashkoche for Coca-Cola. La havdol. Du hast auch het hashkoche for the tzias. Hast Ravlando, hast badats for the greides. Hast multiple different flavors for Jens auch het. Alle andere sorten the tzias van those. And now I want to talk about the tzias. I wanted to bring up a very interesting topic. Du hast a bag from the last 2 Wochen for the tzias that were swapped out from customers.
2 weeks.
Take a look at this. Kijk eens on. This is a stickel bezoin. I don't want to give my mister because it's not my place, and of course I want to make a sale because this is how I live. But lamasa, kijk eens on. If you have black and white tzias, and you have anything showing, and it becomes this thin, like a piece of electric tape. Yeah. This is mamish. Send me a picture.
If somebody has a shalak, could he send you a picture? And
absolutely, yeah, that's what I'm saying. I have people all day. I get pictures. Is this okay? This pusel, is this kushin? This doorway needs a mezuzah or not? And I answer them. It's free. Just a WhatsApp message. I'm always on it, and not just me. I have workers that are doing the same thing.
Somebody has a shalak, but mezuzah doors need a mezuzah.
Everything in the Gaius Nam, I answer you within the next few minutes. You have an answer, and if I don't know the answer, I will do the verification. You do not need to pick up a phone.
All it is send you a WhatsApp. And Tefilin likt in de besmendish of de shank, de lacker, can pick us off.
I even get videos. Kijk, do, Sruly, so like do.
I mean, it's Sruly, while we're speaking, man tefillin liegt on a leske besmedish. Right when you're walking on the left side, there's zweite shelf there. When you're walking on top of the step, 3 steps up, please do me a favor and pick it up tomorrow. That man is changed.
Picked up, dropped off.
That's it. Shona dia lasta.
There you go.
Unreal. So how does it work? You pick it up, you take it to a batamacher.
So first things first, it opens up, goes to the Baal Megia. We check the parashias. Once the parashias are checked, it's in 2 different locations because the batamacher and Baal Megia, one needs clean and quiet, one needs dirty and noisy. So it's 2 different locations.
You actually go pick it, take it to the batamacher?
So I have workers, and that's the thing. Delegate. Always delegate. Use it as an example. Lesson for life.
You want to show me what the batamacher is?
Absolutely. Let's take a look.
Let's go.
Sure. Want to hear something interesting? One of the most random sales I've made.
What?
I went last year to the old JBA show.
The gross old JBA show.
I went there just for the Haksha boy. I took a pop-up booth. I took a simple booth. I brought some those. I didn't even print out official signs. I printed out just posters. And a guy approached me by the show. He's like, you sell stamp? I want to have all 5 Megilos. The Risk, Kehelis, the elephant of Megilos, of Ksav. We made the sale on the spot. I showed him a few Ksavim. He was happy. The next day we finished the deal. He sent me payments. Every time it was done, it was shipped out to him. I didn't meet him since. I have no idea how the guy looks. I finished that. We finished the Megilos. The last one was delivered. He tells me, okay, let's talk about a Sifrei Torah with the same Ksav. I love this Ksav. Let's talk about a Sifrei Torah. And it's still in progress. It's getting written. Yeah, it's in progress. It does the job. I'm telling you. It's just a social life. Socializing, meeting people, it's fun itself. But then the Chaylik has machst auch het Geld. There you go.
Unbelievable.
It's amazing. Chaim, I want to challenge you. If you see this video, even if you don't need anything in my line, if you see me on the street, stop and say hi, say Chaim Perlowitz. I want to see how popular Chaim Perlowitz actually is.
Oh wow, this is a challenge.
Because I get, hi, Stam Azoi, was macht man? I'm like, was macht man Stam Azoi? Not Stam good. You know what I mean? At this point, so now I want to hear how much Chaim Perlowitz's show brings in.
All right, Sruly, challenge
on. Take a look. Du hast the Pashias, ready get checked. It's kusha v'yushit, alles in Mesider. It goes into the bottom. The bottom is open now. I like to stick around. Night some the bottom. Night is shine some. And after that, guide me a little bit to the painting station. This is already bottom. This is the magic. After it's cleaned up.
Beautiful.
Kick it soon, like it never happened. Let's take a look over here. I'm watching the painting at the bottom. Take a look.
Wow.
This is where the magic happens.
This is where the magic happens. The bottom of the paint this, it's beautiful.
All right, so now we're on the way back from the bottom. You got to see the ins and outs of how my business works. But let me explain one more last thing. We check Tefilin and Mezuzos same day, picked up and dropped off. Mezuzos, we even come to your house. Doesn't matter if it's a warehouse, if it's out of town, anywhere in the tri-state area, we can come with the soifit to your house and have your Mezuzos checked with the soifit in the house. Or if it's in the borough park or Lakewood area, we come and we take it to the soifit and bring it back to you and put it back on the doors. Full service. Same goes with sales. If you want to buy Tefilin or Mezuzos, we explain to you the Ksav. You will tell me the difference in the Ksav, and I will give you the price. Hashem, when you buy by me, you'll know what you're getting and the value that you're getting it.
What's the
My
number?
phone number is 347-831-1600. Call, text, WhatsApp. I will be there for you.
Shkoyach Sruly for this beautiful interview.
Thank you so much. It was my pleasure.
Stam Azoi.